Fifth Sutra. Anitya, Ashuchi, Dukkha, Anatmasu. Nitya, Shuchi, Sukma, Atmakyatir, Avidya. Anitya, Ashuchi, Dukkha, Anatmasu. Nitya, Shuchi, Sukhatma, Kyatir, Avidya. This is a definition of the main principal klesha, principal affliction in the yoga. That is avidya, ignorance, not knowing. Avidya is defined as khyati, as view or regard or conviction. A view which sees that which is eternal or permanent, nitya, that which is pure, shuchi, that which is happy, sukha, and that which is self, atma, in things which are anitya, not eternal, temporary, ashuchi, impure, dukkha, full of pain, suffering, frustration, and finally anatma, things that are not self. Ignorance is seeing or seeking permanence in what is temporary only, purity in what is impure, trying to find the self in what is not self, and finally seeing happiness in what in reality is painful, seeing self as body or mind is exactly a good example of such ignorance, avidya.